Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create landing page using plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write landing pages plugin ops. So this is plugin we will use, landing page builder. So click on install now and then click on activate it. So this plugin by plugin ops. Now plugin is active and refresh the page. Now on left side you see landing page by plugin ops. You see multiple options. So click on add new page, then scroll down. You see open plugin ops landing page editor. So click on it. Scroll down. You can add title. So you can add title name according to your requirement, and then you see editor, template, A/B testing, form submission, analytics. So we are in template section, and then you see multiple templates, and then you see all free lead generation. So we are going to import it. If you want, you can create from blank. Now click on free, and then you see multiple template. So you can select according to your requirement. You see different layout. Now click on template according to your requirement. So click on it. Now you see preview. So this is layout. Now close, and then you see insert. So click on it. Now importing. Now you see landing page template added. So you can add your content. So you see title, text, form. So click on title, and then you see edit widget. So click on it. So you can add content according to your requirement. You see multiple options. Now back, and then you see text widget. So click on it. Now you see text. Now back to widget, and then you see form. So click on it, and then you see field. If you want, you can add more field. Now you see add field button, and then click on expand it. You see type, multiple option. You see label, field name, placeholder, and then you see field style. So click on it. So you can do setting according to your requirement. You see label color, text color, font family, button style. You see color scheme, and then you see integration. So click on it, and then you see service, email notification, and then you see form name. So you can add name according to your requirement. So you can add your email address here, and then you see email subject, form name, format. So you can add email address and subject text according to your requirement. And then you see action, and then you see success actions, drop down select show message. So you can customize this message. Now back to landing page, and then you see background image. You see edit row. So click on it, and then background video, custom CSS, row option. You see background image. So you can add your image here. Now back to landing page. First click on publish. Now publish done. Then click on preview. So this is our landing page layout. So we added form, text, title, image. Back to landing page and scroll down. You see add new section. So click on it. So you can add column structure according to your requirement, and then you can add your content. And also you see insert design block. So click on it. You see filter block. You see multiple option, pricing table, and then click on insert. And then you see pricing table layout added. So you can add design block according to your requirement. You see multiple option. Now back to landing page again. So we are going to add new section. Click on it, and then you see plus icon. So you can add new widget according to your requirement. You see text editor, heading, button. You see multiple widgets. So it's up to you. If you want, you can create from scratch, or if you want, you can import template and then modify template according to your requirement, and then click on update. So this is our landing page layout. Now refresh the page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.